The special ingredient that I'm going to put into the marshmallow is... Look at that, that looks so good. Hey guys, it's Lilybakes here and welcome back to my channel. Please ignore the fact that I still have a cold. But anyways, I'm very excited for today's video. As I made these before, but I'm so excited to make them again. I've been wanting to make them again. I thought, you know what, I'm going to make a YouTube video out of it. So today I'm going to be making the biggest marshmallow I've ever made from scratch, so completely from scratch. As you all liked it when I made it on Shorts, on Instagram, on TikTok. You all liked it on all of my platforms, so I thought I'd make a full video on how I made it. Today I'm also going to be making some Mother's Day cupcakes. I need to prep and try out some different techniques, piping techniques of how I'm going to pipe the cupcakes, as I want to do like a floral design, like flowers on the cupcakes. But anyways, before we get started with this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos just like this one. Stay tuned until the end of the video because I'm going to be putting a surprise inside the marshmallow and to see how big it's actually going to get, because I don't even know how big it's going to be yet, but it's going to be big. Let's go. Look at my egg box. Look how cute it is. This has got all the eggs that come from our chickens in here. I also want to show you this, right, which is something that I saw on TikTok with my Stanley Cup. So you take the straw out and then you see this bit here, you lift it up and twist it. Look at that. That's, you can drink, that's like a, for hot drinks as well. And you can drink it like that. I think that's really cool, and I've only recently just found that out, and I've had this since October, but it's very cool. I put the camera here because I need to use this, because I need to melt together, not melt, like heat up water, sugar and glucose. And that is like the first step to making the marshmallows. So I put the sugar, water and liquid glucose into here. It needs to get to 130 degrees Celsius, so it's very hot. But I've got my thermometer here. I need to put the gelatin into water, and I also need to whip up the egg whites. And if I have time, depending on how long this is going to take, I want to try and start piping the cupcakes to try different designs. Got a bowl with water in it here, and I'm just putting the gelatin leaves into the bowl, and you need 13 of these, so I've got 6 so far, so you'll need another 9. Now I'm over here with my Kenwood. I need to whip up the eggs. I'm going to keep the eggs mixing now until soft peaks. Whilst we've already got 3 things going on, we might as well just do another thing. We've got the sugar dissolving in the water and glucose there. Got the egg whites whipping up there, and then got the gelatin. That smells weird. Gelatin in the water there. I've got this tip which I really want to try out because I've not even tried it out before, and then this one which I sort of know which I'm going to do, what I'm going to do with it, but I need to just try it. I've got a cupcake here, and I filled this up with some red buttercream that I have. So I'm just going to try it. I don't really know. Look at that! Oh my goodness. I thought it would be a lot bigger. I love that. Look how cute that is. I've got the other tip here, so I'm going to give this a go. I'm not really too sure what way I need to do it, but maybe it's like this. I've just seen people do this. I haven't actually tried it myself. Like that. Does that look cute? What about if I put this in the middle of it? Oh, I ruined that a bit. But that can look quite cute, no? Does that look cute? Guys, put in the comments down below if you think that looks cute or not. Let's check the temperature. Oh, it's still going up, so I can't really tell you. 113, a bit more. Also, be very careful with this and do not touch it with your hands, please, because it's very hot. It's ready, so I'm about to pour it in. I'm going to pour some in. gelatin leaves. So just squeeze them and put them into the mix. The special ingredient that I'm going to put into the marshmallow is Oreos, which I'm very excited about because I've never put Oreos in a marshmallow before. But I just crushed them all up, so I'm going to put them in a minute, and I'm going to leave a few to sprinkle on the top. But I now need to find a pan. I'm also just waiting for this to be more marshmallow-like and be a lot bigger. So that is just running whilst I'm doing other bits. I found this tin. I'm going to use this tin, and I need to cover it in cling film. And then put sunflower oil over the top, and then a mix of icing sugar and corn flour. I've got it here. I'm just going to literally sprinkle it all over the tin. Make sure to get all of it because you want it all to be covered. Let's put the Oreos in. I'm literally kneeling on the floor right now to get a good angle for you guys to show the marshmallow going in. This is done, and now it needs to sit out for hours to be ready to eat. But this is what it looks like. It looks absolutely amazing. Obviously all the corn flour and ice and sugar mixture will end up coming off, but this is what it looks like now. Just having some lunch, watching Killing Eve. I've had my lunch, so I'm baking again now, and I'm just making some buttercream because I need to do some more cupcakes, and I've baked some and they are just cooling off now, and they'll be ready by the time the buttercream is done. But I have been fiddling with a few different designs of cupcakes, like decorating, and I've come up with the ones I want to do. So I will be showing you them when they're going on the cupcakes. For the first design, you need to squeeze and then shake it around. This next one is quite simple, it's just basically a swirl. For the next design, it can be a bit tricky, but once you've got the hang of it, it is really easy to do. But look what happens. I was not happy. This one requires a specific piping tip, so I'll put it down below. The last one is very easy, it's just a swirl again. This is the final result of the cupcakes. I think they've turned out so well, they look so cute. I'm actually so happy with them. Now it's time for the big thing. The Oreo marshmallow, and I'm going to take it out of the tin and open it and see how big it actually is. I've got it here, I'm going to take it out. Oh my goodness, look at that. Right, let's take it out of the cling film. Oh my goodness, corn flour's gone all over the side. Guys, look at how big this marshmallow is. Can you actually see, like, compared to my head? Look at that, that looks so good. Guys, can I just say this smells absolutely amazing. Look at this. Just look at how squishy the marshmallow is as well, like. I actually can't believe it, it is so big. Right, I've cut them up into smaller bits so you can actually eat it. It's still not small because it's still very, very big. But it is a lot smaller, and look at this. Can we all just, like, it's so soft and squishy, and there's so many Oreos in there, but it looks so good and so tasty. So I'm gonna give it a try, but it's just, look how big it is. I actually can't go over, like, there's so many of them, and look how big they are. But let's try one now and see how it tastes. Oh my goodness, that is really good. You can properly taste the Oreo in that. That is amazing. Now guys that I've made the Oreo one, comment down below different flavour marshmallows you would like me to make, so I can do Biscoff, Nutella, obviously Oreo, and loads of other different flavours. I wish you could taste how good this looks, but I'm going to be putting the recipe in the description box down below so you can try it out and make it yourself, and let me know if you do make it. that is the end of the video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any more videos just like this one. Bye.